Hello, fourth graders. Are you ready? Because I have a mission for you. A mission project, that is. So I'm going to tell you today about what your 3 choices for your mission project are. This year we've changed things. We've done it a little different, and this year you get choices. So I'm going to explain to you your 3 choices very briefly, and then show you some pictures and some actual live models, and then your teacher will be checking in with you to give you more detailed information about your mission projects and the great exciting adventure that you're going to have creating your mission. So listen, project number 1 is you actually get to build your own mission. You've probably been looking forward to this since you were a little kid. You heard about the 4th graders building missions each year, and it's now your turn. Aren't you excited? Now, the great thing this year is instead of having one option for building it, you get to have many options. You can build it with cardboard. I'm going to show you that. You can build it with Legos. You could also create a Minecraft mission and take a video of that or screenshots to present for your project. Do remember that whatever you build, you will be presenting to your class, and you will be turning in pictures of that project to your teacher. So let's get started. Don't you want to see what those missions look like? Okay, so here's one of our first missions. This was a mission that was built last year in my class. This is the Santa Barbara mission, okay? And you can see here that we have the bell towers, we have the church, and if I turn it, you can see then there's a nice courtyard in here. There's a fountain. I had a student make a fountain, really cool. Then we have our other buildings around the mission. These buildings were used as workshops, maybe kitchens. We had an area for livestock. That's really important. That was part of what the mission did. So when you're building your mission, think about that. Now this whole entire mission, we also have a graveyard. That was part of the mission. This whole entire mission was built with cardboard, some scrapbook paper, some things that were bought at Michael's. They have a great mission area at Michael's. You do not need to go spend any money to build a mission. All you have to do is use whatever resources you have at home, and cardboard usually have some cardboard boxes. Now, if for some reason you don't have cardboard boxes, let me show you the easiest way to do this, okay? So what we've been doing every year is we go to the Dollar Tree, or you can get them at Walmart too. They have those Science Trifold cardboards, okay? This is the Science Trifold cardboard, and you can buy these for $1 a piece at the Dollar Tree, and this is what we used for the mission. So this whole entire piece actually made a mission. These 2 pieces were what we cut all the pieces out of for the buildings, and then this piece in the center, which is your largest piece, was the base that we built the mission on, okay? Now, you will need help from your parents when it comes to cutting and gluing. The best way to glue your mission is to use a glue gun, like a hot glue gun, but I don't want anyone to get burnt, so please make sure you ask for adult help with that. Let me show you one more mission because they're really cool. So here is our next mission. This is La Purisma, Mission La Purisma, okay? And you can see here, we have our church, we have our courtyard with a fountain here, there's our graveyard, you can see that, okay? And as you turn the mission, you can see that there were some windows made. Oh, and look at this bell tower. This is a really different kind of a bell tower, okay? And then as you turn the mission, you can see the livestock, and see another one of the buildings. Maybe that was used for the workshop or the quarters for people to live. And then you can see a courtyard here, okay? And another building. So as you watch the videos, and you can watch this video again and again, it'll help you get an idea of how you want to build your mission, okay? So you do need to decide what mission you want to build. You have learned about 21 missions, okay? So out of those 21, what do you want to build? Which one did you really like? Maybe it's the one that your group worked on for your project, or maybe you had another mission that you saw in a presentation you really liked. Go ahead and choose whatever mission you like out of the 21 if you're going to build a mission. But don't forget, if you don't want to build it out of cardboard, you could build it out of Legos. You could make a Minecraft mission, whatever you have. Be creative, okay? Be creative. Do you remember, as I said before, you are going to turn in pictures of this, and you are going to present this mission to your class, okay? Because this is your mission project. Okay, mission option number 2 is create the 20-second mission. What? There's only 21 missions. Guess what? You're going to create the next one. So let's pretend you get to use all of your imagination and creativity and make the 20-second mission. What would it look like? What would you want there? What kind of buildings would you have? What would you create? That's up to you, okay? Now, when you create your 20-second mission, instead of building it, okay, you're going to actually draw a floor plan for it or a blueprint, okay? When you're going to build a house or you're going to build a building, blueprints are done by an architect, okay? And those are all laid out, and those are the flat plans of how your building is going to be built. So if you look in some different mission books, and you can also look online, you'll see blueprints for the missions. So this happens to be Mission San Antonio, and this is the blueprint for the mission. So you're going to draw your own blueprints. You can be as detailed and creative as you would like. You can do this on a large piece of construction paper, okay? And then this will be something that you're presenting to your class. You're going to tell about the different things in the mission, okay, that you have there. You will get detailed information on how you need to do this from your teacher, okay, with an explanation. But for now, this is just to give you an overview. You're going to you're going to draw yourself a really nice blueprint. It's labeled with the different areas of the mission, okay? So that is project number 2, okay? Now, project number 3 is mission safety and protocol during a pandemic, okay? Right now, we have a pandemic. That's why you're not at school with us. So what protocol and safety would we have to have at a mission during a pandemic? The Native Americans and the missionaries dealt with a lot of disease, and a lot of people did die from those diseases that were introduced. What would you do to safeguard the mission? What safety protocols would you have? How would people enter the mission? How would people, live at the mission? What would you do? Okay, so I want you to think about that. Now for that project, you're going to actually be writing a 3 to 5 paragraph essay on how you would safeguard your mission. Okay, what happens if someone got COVID at your mission? What would you do with them? Where would they go? Okay, so I want you to think about that, and that would be your project. If you don't want to draw something or build something, this would be the project for you because you get to do writing. Okay, so those are 3 quick explanations of your mission project. Are you ready? I challenge you to create an awesome mission project, and I can't wait to see it. Have a great day.